Finding new leads is probably my #1 requested topic and problem when I talk to funnel agencies. In this video, I want to share my method for finding 17 new leads a day in under 3 minutes. So every day I add around 50 new Facebook friends from various groups that I'm also a member of. Now these groups are whatever market I'm generating leads from. So if I'm generating leads for our SaaS agency, then I will go into coaching and consulting groups. If it's for 7-figure freedom, then I'll add them from marketing agency groups. The goal is not to bombard these people with messages and PMs straight away, but to slowly build a following on my personal Facebook profile. Now, this isn't the only way I'm generating leads, of course. I have the books on Amazon with an opt-in page spread throughout the content and a link to that. I also have these videos with links in the description, and I also have my blog/website, which generates a lot of leads too. All in all, we probably do around 30 leads a day with 0 ad spend. However, this method of finding leads for your agency is fast, easy. It can be done in like 25 minutes a day, and it doesn't require any further investment. In fact, I sold my first ever $7,800 coaching program and my $5,964 software using this method before I even really had a product to sell. The key is understanding that it's a numbers game. So far, my conversions work out to be roughly 50 friend requests per day, and around 17 of those accept, so about a 30% conversion rate. And no, they're not just accepting me because it's me, the Mike Killen. As famous as I like to think I am, 99.9% of people have no idea who I am. Now, according to one of my 7-figure freedom members, Ali, who is killer with social profiles, by the way, the key is focusing on high quality groups rather than lots of groups overall. So for example, paid groups or groups of your competitors is a really good place to start. As people accept my friend requests, I do not immediately start hammering them with messages or telling them what I do. This is the mistake that 99% of organic marketers make. Instead, I say hello, I ask them something about their profile picture or their location, and I leave it there. If they respond, I will chat to them like a normal human being. I will ask questions, I will have a conversation, and I will move into qualification questions, but lightly. Like, are you an agency, or what kind of businesses do you consult with? I don't want to waste their time, and I don't want to waste my time. In my experience, moving swiftly into qualification, if done with a human touch, can be a fantastic route towards qualifying leads. Think of it like going to a networking event. Keep it civil and human. Don't rush into the pitch. Your job is not to offer value yet, just qualify them. I do all of this in around 25 minutes a day using Instagram or Facebook and LinkedIn. It is a numbers game. Don't try to be psychic and guess if someone is a good lead. Add them, talk to them, and move on if not. It's a long-term plan, but you can find results quickly if you stick with it. It's also worth noting that anyone who doesn't engage with me via Facebook Messenger might also see my posts that I put on my profile or in my group later on. I'll ask people to comment if they want a particular lead magnet or a video or a resource, and that gives me another route into their direct messages. Think of it like building a mini following just on Facebook. Ultimately, I do have software and a few VAs who do some of this work for me, but when I was getting started, I did all of this myself. It didn't take too long. It just required a little bit of discipline to do it at the same time every day, which in my case is 12 p.m. midday. If you have any lead generation tips, I'd love to know them down in the comments below, or if you're using something similar, let me know in the comments down below. Other than that, I will see you on the next video. Have courage, commit, and take action.